Hello there. I am in the hallway just outside of my room in the last hotel we're staying at with my tour. So we are in the area of Porto, but we're not directly in Porto. We are in a small neighborhood type of area called GAIA. But we're in the hotel that is located in GAIA, and the hotel is Holiday Inn. So I'm just, as I said, I'm outside of my room in the hotel here. So you can quickly see it's not that dark in this hotel. I do tend to notice hotels tend to be very dark in the hallways, even with the lighting, but this is actually pretty bright considering. So now here's my room. Here, 612. You can see that it is key card. Very fancy room, building. I got my card in here already, so just have to turn on the power. Come on in. So here is the bathroom. Let's turn that on. You can see here is the shower area. And then, hello there, it's me. Sink area with obviously the mirror. Looks like there is a bidet in here, as well as the toilet. So that's that. Let's come on in over here. You're going to be surprised on how big this place is. Here, let me turn on, I had that thing on earlier. I don't know what the heck's going on there, but whatever. Small little closet here on the left. Nothing fancy. You got a couch here straight ahead. Table beside that with a lamp. Chair. And then a set of table and 3 chairs. On the right here is a desk with little doors to open, which I'm not going to worry about, with a small little TV that's playing some kind of thing on there. Fridge and freezer thing combo. I'm not going to open these up, but these are obviously drawers, anyway, doors to closet type of thing. And then over here is my bedroom. Massive king size. I believe it's a king size. I'm not sure. I think it's a king size. You can see that I have the lights on already with the 2 side tables with lights. Massive, well, you know what I'm talking about here. Geez. Sometimes I just love when I just try to say something and it just doesn't want to come out. Anyway, closets with mirrors. And I'll quickly open it up quickly. Might as well just quickly open it up. So this side has, earlier I tried to do the video, but it was darker in here. You can see, if you have long hair, you can do your hair, dry your hair, blow dryer. Got your safe. A lot of times in these hotels I don't use a lot of the amenities, but here's just another thing to hang your clothes if you want to, or a jacket. Nothing special about those. Last part, literally just 2 hangers on in the closet here. That's it. Nothing special. Let's go over here. Hello again. I believe this is for baggage again. But that's, I'm not using that. As I went by here, you saw on the couch, I'm using that as my storage for my stuff. A desk and chair and some kind of TV here with ads. Mirror, big mirror, and of course a lamp. And very last but not least, a big picture window with, I opened up the curtains. And one quick thing before I want to let you go here. Again, this is a Holiday Inn, really beautiful hotel actually. But you can see that they're doing construction on some kind of building here eventually. I'm assuming it's going to be a big building of some sort. But yeah, that's what I got a view of the city, but construction site, which is cool. It is cool, actually, to see what they're building, even though I'm only going to be here a couple days. But yeah, that's what I got. Beautiful hotel. Awesome. Until then, next one, see you then.